Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Sam. I am a licensed cosmetologist. I am also a certified lash technician, and today's video I wanted to talk about the brand Lashify. So many people have been bringing this company to my attention, asking my professional opinion about it, if it's safe to use, you know, what do I think about it, is it going to damage your lashes, etc. So I've been checking out their website and reading up on the company, looking at some of their videos, and I was like, okay, I need to do a YouTube video about this. So Lashify is basically like an at-home type of lash extension that you can do on yourself. And before I get into all of my thoughts, I just want to preface everything by saying, before you get like a negative vibe or just think, oh, well, she's a professional, this is what she does for a living, so of course she's gonna knock on, you know, a DIY kind of product, because professionals don't want clients doing things themselves at home and saving money, because they want them to come to them and give them money to get things done professionally. If you don't know me, I can totally understand how you would think that, because a lot of the times that's what you see. You know, there's a lot of hairstylists that are so against people coloring their hair at home, cutting their hair at home, etc. Long before I went to beauty school, I was the DIY queen. I taught myself at home. I practiced things on myself. I never went out to get anything done. That's how I discovered my passion for this industry. That's how I ended up deciding to go to beauty school. I have nothing against people trying to save themselves a little bit of money, saving time, wanting to do things themselves at home. I'm all for that, as long as what you're doing is safe and you're doing it correctly. So please don't think that I am like sitting up on some high horse telling you like, don't do this yourself, you have to go to professional. It's not like that. I just genuinely have some concerns. Being a professional, knowing what I know about lashes. So basically when you go on the Lashify website, there is a kit that you can get. I believe they call it the control kit. And in that kit, it says you get 2 gossamer lash sets, which is basically, it kind of just looks like a strip lash, but it's like cut up into like smaller pieces. Dual-sided Whisper Light Flexible Bond with biotin in clear and black. Seal and finish clear coat, the fuse control wand, a wandum, and a storage box. So basically there's like a bonder, which is like a glue that you apply to your lashes. Then you take these strip lashes, which again, like I said, it looks basically just like a regular old strip lash that's just been cut up into smaller pieces. And you apply that underneath your eyelashes, and it adheres to your lashes from underneath, as opposed to like traditionally when you would put on a strip lash, you would put it above your lashes, and then like a top coat sealer kind of thing that's supposed to like seal everything and lock it all into place. Now this control kit costs $145, and then the actual lashes themselves, to replace them, which they say that they are only designed for one-time use, so once you apply them, after that you have to throw them out, you can't reapply. The lashes themselves range from $20 to $25. They're supposed to last up to 10 days, but it does say that a lot of people will just put them on for one night, just wear them for like a day or two, but the longest that you can wear them for is 10 days. And they claim that it's easy to apply and it does not damage your lashes. Actually, let me find, I'm on the Lashify website on their FAQ page, by the way. So the question is, will Lashify damage my natural lashes? Absolutely not. Our luxury system was designed to protect the integrity of your natural lashes. That is the point. Lashify gives you the best of both worlds. Not strips and not traditional lash extensions, which bind to your lashes with harsh glues and cause permanent damage at the root. Our Whisper Light Flexible Bond cushions and protects your natural lashes to keep your gossamers firmly in place with an effective yet flexible hold. Contains biotin and microflex ingredients designed to nourish your lashes. So here's the actual truth, okay? This is how eyelashes work. And this is why when it comes to eyelash extensions, it is so important to make sure that you are going to a licensed, certified professional who really knows what they're doing and is careful. So every person has a lot of eyelashes. I believe each eye can have anywhere from like 1 to 200 lashes on average. Every single eyelash has its own growth cycle. So your lashes shed just like the hair on your head does. Each day on average, you lose like 2 to 5 lashes per eye every day. A lot of the times you don't see them if you don't have lash extensions or like a lift and tint, because the lashes are so fine and so thin and light, you know, they fall out, you don't even see them. So the growth cycle lasts for a few weeks. The lashes go through 3 phases of growth. You have the anagen phase where they're like still little teeny tiny baby lashes, the catagen phase, which is right in the middle where they're growing a lot, and then the telogen phase is that final stage, that's the resting phase where they're at their like longest length, they're just sitting, they're just chilling there, and then eventually they just shed, it just falls out, and then you have a new little baby anagen lash already growing in its place. And every lash is on its own different cycle. That's why you don't just shed all of your eyelashes at one time in the same day. Now, when you disrupt that growing cycle, that's when damage can occur. How do you disrupt that cycle? By either pulling the lashes out prematurely or having something holding them in place that's preventing them from falling out when they normally should. So now imagine taking a chunk of a strip lash, putting glue on it, and then sticking it to all of your eyelashes. You are essentially holding all of your lashes stuck in place, attached to this one thing. So if there's a lash that needs to fall out, it's not gonna be able to. It's gonna get stuck in there. Not to mention, say you go to remove them, if you're not careful enough and you're not doing it properly, you could be prematurely ripping some lashes out. On top of that, every single day, we have all of these different things, dirt, oil, makeup, dead skin cells that just kind of build up on our skin and on the eye area. So it's very important to make sure that you're properly cleaning everything, because if all of that stuff gets stuck in there and it's just building up and building up, you can get an eye infection, you can get lash mites, which is like lice basically for your eyelashes. It's so disgusting, it's not a good time. And again, that can cause damage to your lashes. That could even cause damage to your eyes. So again, imagine you have this foreign object that's glued to a whole bunch of your lashes right at the base underneath. How are you supposed to really properly be able to get in there and clean them? Eyelash extensions that are professionally applied are individual. They are one by one. So the lash tech goes through and they isolate every single little individual eyelash and they put the extension on that lash. So that way it can still maintain its regular growing cycle. It can still breathe, it can still grow. You can clean it, you can get in there in between every eyelash and really get to the lash line and properly clean everything. So in my professional opinion, yes, this product will definitely cause damage to your eyelashes. And everyone's lashes are a little bit different. Some are stronger than others, so you might not notice any damage right away, but over time, after repeated use of a product like this, you will start to notice damage. You will start to notice that your lashes are looking weaker. You don't have as many as you once did. Maybe you have gaps where some lashes are missing. But now also, just from like a customer standpoint, this is $145 just for the kit. And then every time you want to reapply, you have to buy a new set of the actual lashes, which again is between $20 and $25. Now, if you were to go out and get a set of professionally applied eyelash extensions, like real eyelash extensions, it depends where you live, of course, like the price is gonna vary. But based on what I've seen from all of the other lash people that I follow, like all around the country, where I live in Pennsylvania, the prices for lashes seem to be on the much higher end. And even still, for like a full set of classic lashes, it ranges anywhere from like 100 to 150 bucks for the initial full set. So that's basically the same price, if not less, than what you're paying for this Lashify kit. And then these only will last you up to 10 days at the absolute most. How long do Lashify Gossamer lash extensions last? That's up to you. You can wear Lashify Gossamers for up to 1 week or for just one night, depending on your application technique and lifestyle. They can pretty much withstand anything except sleeping on your face, hot water, and oil. We have clients that wear them for the day and others that wear them for over 10 days. So then every 10 days, you have to spend another like $25 to get new lashes. And again, that's if like you're getting the absolute longest wear out of them. Most people are probably only gonna be able to keep them on for a couple of days. So every few days, you're spending another $20 or $25. If you were to get professional eyelash extensions, you would have to go and get a fill about every 2 to 3 weeks. And again, the prices vary, but I mean, the most that I've seen is like $50 for a classic set. So not only are you not saving any money, but you're doing something that's damaging to your lashes, and it's something that you have to apply yourself. And they even say on their website that it takes a little getting used to, like it's kind of tricky the first few times. Let me see. How long does it take to apply? Like learning any new language, the language of Lashify takes a little practice. Leave yourself plenty of time your first few times. Most clients get the hang of it by the third time and can do their lashes in minutes. Practice makes perfect. I don't know. If they're even admitting that it'll take you at least 3 times to like really get it down, that doesn't sound like super quick and easy to me, you know? And think about how many people struggle just to put on like a regular old strip lash. If you really wanted to do something like this, you could easily just go to the drugstore, get some Ardell cluster lashes. They have those little kits that are $10. Years ago, I used to do those to my lashes. I actually did a tutorial on it. It's not something that I would recommend anymore because like I said, it will cause damage to your lashes. It definitely had damaged mine. It's the exact same thing for $10 versus $145. When I heard about this, I expected like, oh, so it's probably like really cheap and you know, that's the appeal, but it's not. So I just don't understand. I think, in my opinion, either go and get real professional eyelash extensions if that's what you want. If you want something that is going to last you for a long time and you can shower and go swimming and do everything that you normally would with them, or if you want to just wear something for like a day and you want it to blend in a little bit better, look more natural, and not be visible like a regular strip lash, just take the strip lash and just apply it underneath your lashes as opposed to on top. And you can take a regular strip lash and you can just cut it up into little chunks and you can customize it and stack them and do all the same things that you would with this Lashify stuff, or go and get some cluster lashes instead. Like, I don't understand the concept of this. Like, it's not anything new or innovative. It's just like a waste of money, in my opinion. Also, I was looking into the CEO of this company, like who created this product, and she's like an actress or something. So it's not even like she's someone that works in the beauty industry. She's not a makeup artist. She's not a professional esthetician or cosmetologist or anything like that. So it's like, who are you to say if this is gonna be damaging or if it's safe, or you know what I mean? Like, I doubt she really knows how lashes work and the growth cycle and all that stuff. Anyway, I don't believe in telling people what they should and shouldn't spend their own money on. So if you guys are curious about it and you still want to give it a try, you know, that's on you. But my professional opinion is I do not recommend this product. So those are all of my thoughts on Lashify. If you guys live anywhere in the New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania area and you're interested in getting professional lash extensions done by me, I'm located in the Northeast Pennsylvania area. I would absolutely love to meet you, do your lashes, hang out. All of my information will be down in the description. You can go follow me over on my Instagram page. I have all of like my contact info on there. Let me know what you guys think about this product. Like, am I crazy? Do you agree with me about like the whole price thing? Or are you really interested in this product? Do you think that it is something new and innovative? Let me know. Let's talk about it in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.